everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2016 GMC Yukon XL in the SLT trim. This GMC Yukon was a local trade here at All Things Automotive, and while it does have just over 130,000 miles, this was very well maintained. That's why we are listing this SUV here. So starting up front, you will find this GMC well equipped with high intensity halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper with front proximity sensors. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new set of Michelin tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards. You'll also have LED vehicle locator lights here. And on the reverse side of your mirrors, you will have a blind spot monitor, and you will also have a turn signal indicator right here, integrated right into the glass. You'll also have passive door entry and a powered sunroof. Looking inside, you'll be met with a jet black theme with nice elements such as leather, dark gray stitching, faux wood grain, and some brushed aluminum here. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this GMC Yukon. Once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by heated and cooling front seats with leather upholstery, and you'll also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Carfax. It does have a minor to moderate here. That happened in 2023. And if we flip here, damage to the front, damage to left side, damage to right side, damage to front. So as you can see up front, transparent here. You can find this Carfax available online, should be in the listing here, but rest assured we have mechanically checked this vehicle out for safety. So here's the mechanical check sheet. As you can see, all the tires are 9/32 all the way around. Brake pads are good to go, and everything else as far as safety is concerned is all good to go. And guys, we take care of the wearable so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the middle row, you are going to have the captain's chairs here, and your passengers are going to have a lot of entertainment back here, guys. You have not one but two displays here for DVD entertainment or Blu-ray. Okay, they're also going to enjoy nice features like heated rear seats. Looks like we have a 120 outlet back here, followed up with a 12-volt independent climate control, a little bit of storage, and it does come with the remote and 4 headsets. And as you can see, captain's chairs, and you'll also have easy access to that third row as well. Making our way to the rear of this Yukon. Now this is the XL, so extra long. That's what I don't know if it actually means that, but that's what I'm going to say because it makes sense. Let's go ahead and pop the lift gate here. As you can see, automatic lift gate assist. You can access that on the remote or the latch on the reverse side of the lift gate here. So plenty of space here, as you can see. So you have all the cargo space right here, but if you do need more, you have power folding seats, not only in the third row, but you also have it in the second row as well. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as child safety locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors, and that includes power folding. Up top you'll have your powered door locks, and down below you'll have memory seating and GMC's easy exit and entry button. You'll also have Bose premium sound. To the left of the steering wheel, you have brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting with a general lamp selector and 4-wheel drive selector. Here you'll have powered adjustable foot pedals, lane keep assist, traction control on and off, and your proximity sensors, you can turn those on and off right there. And you will also have a powered telescoping and tilting wheel. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. So let's take a look at one of these. As you can see, these key fobs are equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and liftgate release. Once inside, you'll notice the push button start here just to the right of the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and confirm the mileage. We're in driver memory 1, just over 130,000 miles. Okay, so as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have your cruise control options here with your heated steering wheel and forward collision. And to the right, you'll have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And you'll also have a selector for that center screen. Bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Let me go ahead and engage the rear camera. As you can see, nice clear display with your guidance lines. And you even have some nice storage behind there with a USB. Down below, you'll have some dual automatic climate controls here, complete with heated and ventilated seats here, as you can see. So not only are they heated with 2 settings, you have cooling seats as well, rear climate control. And then here we have one 12-volt, 2 USBs, some nice storage here, 2 cup holders, and if that's not enough charging, you have wireless charging right here in the middle, followed up with a nice deep storage console. Bringing our attention up top, you have your auto-dimming rear view mirror with all your OnStar and SOS services, bright LED map lights. Of course, you'll have controls for your powered sunroof as well. Additionally, I did want to mention this GMC Yukon is equipped with an aftermarket integrated trailer brake controller. In addition to the aftermarket trailer brake controller, here you will have a tow haul mode and a manual gear select. And if we look back here, I went ahead and removed the hitch cover here. So you do have a hitch receiver and a 7-pin round connector. Under the hood, you will find a 5.3 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals here. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multiple inspection, this Yukon has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this GMC Yukon. Up front here, you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes, minimal stone chips though, all in all pretty good shape here. Nice gray metallic exterior here. Some paint chips here, just by the driver's side headlight here. But your headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazy, no fading. Your chrome, no peeling or anything like that. And your grille inserts are in good shape, along with your GMC badging here. All the way down to your front bumper, minimal wear and tear from the road, which is pretty impressive here with the mileage. Okay, all the way around to our wheel and tire setup. That coating is not peeling or anything like that, so that is intact. Again, it's very surprising for the year and mileage. Okay, paint match mirror cap here, a little bit of wear and tear from the road, otherwise pretty clean. Your running boards are in good shape here. Then all the way up to your paint match door handles here, very good shape. High gloss black material on the outer door, minimal scuffing, which is rare. Okay, looking inside, no rip stains or tears or anything like that. All your trim pieces around your dash are in good shape. And no smoke odors. The last owner was not a smoker, so that is very, very good. Okay, leather seats are in good shape here. Guys, let's go ahead and take it to middle row. Even your chrome trim here, no peeling, no fading, no discoloration. I did have all these seats folded down flat to show you guys. As you can see, you know, it will have some wear, but pretty good. No scuffs on the backs of the seats. Again, you have 4 headsets there. All your DVD and rear entertainment is good to go. All the way back, no dents or dings. Really clean so far. As you can see, taillights are nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation. Now you will have some cosmetic blemishes and some touch-up spots here just by your liftgate release here. Hitch cover is in good shape all the way back to your rear bumper and rear proximities. That taillight's nice and clear coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body, no curb rash on that wheel, no peeling of any of the coatings. Badging is good, paint match door handles are also good. And then looking into the driver door card here, pretty good. Now you will have some wear on this left side bolster on the driver's side seat. Looks like we have a small tear here. So just want to let you guys know that's on the left side bolster on the driver's seat. And then the center console here, you are going to have some tear on that leather. So that's pretty much the largest things cosmetically on this GMC Yukon. If you're looking for a very affordable, powerful GMC Yukon with tons of comfort and convenience features, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, just shop online at allthingsautomotive.com. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because you're gonna want some extended coverage on this beautiful GMC Yukon. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.